Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the kick plate in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new kick plate. The kick plate is mounted at the bottom of the refrigerator. It covers the ventilation opening and stops foreign objects from getting under the refrigerator. The main reason why the kick plate would need to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So this is the kick plate that we're going to remove and replace. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the kick plate. Place it right here in the seam, and I'm going to pry it off and move it. Alright, so I'm going to pull on the kick plate and I'm going to continue pry it out. Now we can remove it. This is the old kick plate next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to place the kick plate. Put the cutouts over the hinges here on both sides. And then we're going to push it in so all the tabs will lock. Now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.